Simple problem, 4,992 divided by 8. So we want to start out by using the smallest number possible. We're looking for the number within the number. We want to divide by the smallest number possible. The only rule is the number inside the square has to be equal to or bigger than the number outside the square. So we cannot start out with 1 digit by 1 digit division because 8 is bigger than 4. We can start out with 2 digit by 1 digit division. So we're going to start out with 49 divided by 8. So I'm going to skip count by 8s. I'm going to see how many groups of 8 I can get into 49 without passing it. So 8, so far I have 1 group. 16, so far I have 2 groups of 8. 24, so far I have 3 groups of 8. 32, so far I have 4 groups of 8. 40, so far I have 5 groups of 8. 48, so far I have 6 groups of 8. Now if I count by 8 again, I'll be past 49. If I count by 8 again, I'll be at 56, which is too far. But I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full groups of 8 within 49. So 49 divided by 8 equals 6. Now to find our remainder, I have to subtract the closest number that we got to 49 without going over. So 48 was as close as we could get to 49 without passing it. So 48 is what I have to subtract. (49 minus 48 equals 1). Next we bring down the 9. Now 19 divided by 8, I got to figure out how many groups of 8 we can get in 19 without passing it. So 8, 1 group so far. 16, we have 2 groups of 8. If I count by 8 again, I'll be too far, right? 24 is past 19. But I was able to get 2 full groups of 8 within 19. So 19 divided by 8 equals 2 with a remainder. To find that remainder, we have to subtract the closest number that we could get to 19 without passing it. So 16 was as close as we could get to 19 without passing it. So I'm going to do 19 minus 16. We have a remainder of 3. Bringing down the 2. So now I got to figure out how many groups of 8 go into 32. So counting by 8s, one last time. 8, 16, 24, 32. So we were able to get 4 groups of 8 within 32. We ended up counting by 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 times to get to 32. We landed right on the number, so 32 is what we subtract. There is no remainder. And we have our final answer. 4,992 divided by 8 equals 624.